Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 3, Lesson 10. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to collect, sort, and organize data, then ask and answer questions about the graph. So looking at this, we're talking about different holidays. For some reason it says sport, but it's about different holidays. And which holiday was their favorite. So it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Easter. So what I always like to do before I answer questions is just to write the actual number by these tallies of how many students voted for each holiday. So for Christmas it was 5, for Thanksgiving it was 3, and Easter was 2. So that's how many students liked Christmas. So since we already wrote the number, we know it's 5. How many students like Christmas and Thanksgiving? So that means together Christmas and Thanksgiving. So we have to add the 5 Christmas and the 3 Thanksgiving. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. How many more students like Christmas than Easter? So how many more students like Christmas than Easter? So we're going to subtract. 5 minus 2 equals 5, 4, 3. So we know that 3 more students liked Christmas than Easter. Which 2 favorite holidays did a total of 7 students like? So looking at 5, 3, and 2, which 2 added together make 7? So I know that 5 plus 3 equals 8. We already knew that. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. So we know it's Christmas. I'm just going to put a C for Christmas and E for Easter. So I'll never write the number since 5 plus 2 equals 5, 6, 7. I always want to double check. Write a number since it shows how many students voted all together. So 5 plus 3 plus 2. So we know that 5 plus 3 equals 8. So we just add 2 more, so 8, 9, 10. Now keep going, because we have a few more. We know we're talking about the holidays. We know it was 5, 3, and 2. How many total students answered the survey? Well, we know that what we just answered, we just wrote a number since showing how many students voted together. So we know it was 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. So we know that all together was 10 students. It says how many fewer students liked Easter than Thanksgiving. So we know that 2 students liked Easter, and 3 students liked Thanksgiving. So we're going to have to figure this out. So we can do 3 minus 2 equals, we know that's 1. So we know that it was 1 fewer student that liked Easter than Thanksgiving. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.